Hello, let's talk about Quines. Quine is a computer program that takes no input and produces a copy of its own source code as its only output. So basically, if you take this a program, and if you run the program, you should get the original code of the program itself back. So there are many examples that are given in Wikipedia, and there are many ways to achieve it. Certain scenarios like in Python and in Java and stuff. There are so many examples of this. Like in Python, if you write this and run that program, it will give you back the same program. So this can be used at some point to create self-replicating and self-modifying code and so forth. So let's try to see if we can make a Quine using ZCubes language / JavaScript. Now, sometimes in some situations, self-evaluation Quines are considered to be a cheating Quine, and we can use eval Quine and so forth. Now, these are all specific versions of it, of Quines, but it is a lot more interesting to look at these self-reflecting Quines. So let's take an example of this script / ZCubes language. Now, Q is the function name. And now it has internally, it has one line that says console log and evaluate the name of this function's callee, which will be Q, and print this out. So if I run this program, it will give me this code as the output, which is exactly what we started with. Now, the interesting thing with this particular way of writing it is that you can actually change this function to have, let's say, a set of parameters here, and let's say we add some code which basically makes this function to be something more interesting and significant. And now if you run this program, you will get back the original source code itself, and this kind of allows us to go for at some point into self-modifying code and so forth. This is kind of how life works, life in the sense that every creature creates its own copy using a process. These Quine functions can be used at some point to do intelligent evolution and so forth. So that's what a Quine is and how we can do a Quine in ZCubes language.